Hello, welcome, honey. We are together with one perfect question. Let's see what he told us in the question. AB says CD is one positive integer. He said that the sum of these is equal to 63. And we have a times B plus B times C plus C times D. Asked for the maximum value he could get. Now let's think about how we can approach this question. Now we say a times B or B times C. What geometric shapes can express the area? Let's think about it a little. For example, one side length is B. What is the area of one rectangle? Isn't it a times B? Then if I say this B to this A, and then continue, if I extend it a little longer and call this length C, and if I say B here, this time we come across B times C, a rectangle with an area. And then from here, if I take it one distance forward, and we can say what is its length here? We can say it is C. Look here, friend's area is a times B. Friend's area here is B times C. And we found this area here as C times D. So what can we do next? Let's complete this part. And we come across a new rectangle. Again, this side length will also be D. The area of our rectangle here is a times D. Now after that, we can start thinking differently. Side length here, E. And if we say X to the side length here, see what we found X as, in this case, we found X length as the sum of a plus C, Y, and B plus D. We found it. So the question is, what does it tell us? If you notice the sum of a plus B plus C plus D says it's 63. Let's use this now. If we gather these friends side by side here, the expression we call X plus Y is actually ain't a plus B plus C plus D equal? So the question is, what did he give it to us? X plus this part of Y. We can say that 63 came. What can we do later now? Let's think a little. I am given this great. If I want to calculate the area of the rectangle, what should I do? Side length here, E. Because I know that the side length here is X. With long edge, if I hit the short side, it will give me the whole space. So if I want to collect all the fields inside, where will it take me? Look at him now. A times B plus B times C plus C times D plus A times D is equal to X times, and what am I thinking right now? Expression here. I'm sending it to the opposite side. My expression when I send it to the other side, a times B plus. B times C plus C times D is equal to. Isn't that exactly what he wanted from me? A times B. And others then here now. We can think of doing something. For example, he didn't say that there are different integers. I want this expression to be my max, right? Let this expression be my purpose. I can choose this as small as possible. I give it 1 and I give it 1 positive integer. What happened in this case? Our expression is a times B plus B times C plus C times D. I'd say X times Y is -1. Totals are 63. Look at the number we wrote here. The greatest value that A multiples can get. I'm trying to find now exactly 2. I might have to get the arithmetic average, but I can't because in this case 31.5, a number will come. We can't choose this because this is not one integer. Then I can select these values successively. So what do I mean? X the number, I said 32. If I choose 31 for the number, I say Y. What will the value here turn into? 992. -1, and in this case, our answer is 991. We can easily say that it was the perfect question at the Mathematics Olympics. Friends, please save to your archive. I would be very happy if I helped. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and comments where you are watching me from. I would be very happy if you write, "See you, bye-bye."